If the battery on your Samsung Galaxy A27 does not want to charge all the way to 100%, and it is stuck at 80% or 95% or something in between, then in that case you want to open the settings on your phone. Then over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to battery settings. Now once you open these battery settings, you should be able to find battery protection. In the case of basic battery protection, the charging can stop at 95%. Usually the battery can be charged all the way to 100%, but then when it does, then it stops charging, and then once the battery drops to 95%, then it starts charging to 100% again. And in the case of the maximum battery protection option, your battery might be limited to 80% only, and you will not be able to exceed it. You can also set it to 85, 90, or 95%. So if you want to be able to charge all the way to 100%, in that case, if you use maximum, you can, for example, try to switch to basic, or you can completely turn off battery protection. And of course, it is still recommended to use at least the basic battery protection, but if you don't like it at all, then you can of course turn it off. Leave a like and subscribe.